students, welcome to the MCQ series from Soil Physics. I think everyone have seen my previous two videos. So this is a continuation of that video MCQ series. So let's start with the first question. Let's continue the questions. So first question, the most chemically active soil fraction is option sand, silt, clay, option A and B. So which is the most chemically active soil fraction? Option C is the correct. It is clay. Clay will be the most chemically active soil fraction because of many properties like its size, surface charge, then cohesion, adhesion. This clay have that different properties, but these properties are not present in sand, silt. So this makes clay an active soil fraction. Okay. Next, aggregation is not possible in options sand, silt, clay, both A and B. Which is the correct answer? Which is both A and B. In clay, aggregation is possible. Is it? So, but in sand and clay, sand and silt, aggregation is not possible. If we take sand, if we go to beach and hold sand and mix some, or when we add water and make some shapes, like sand. With sand particles, we can't do that. Silt also we can't do that. So aggregation is not possible in sand and silt, but it is possible in clay. The next question: unit of viscosity, calorie per gram, poise, both B and C. So answer is both B and C. Next question: property of fluids by virtue of which it reduces the relative motion among different layers of fluid is called. We can look the option: consistency, viscosity, plasticity and specificity. So which is the correct answer? Look at the question: property of fluid. So it will be property of fluid. By virtue of it reduces the relative motion among different layers of fluid. So that if we take the case of water, it will contain more layer. So between that layer some properties, so something is present. So due to that property, that layers will not move apart. So which is that property? Option B is the correct answer: viscosity. Okay, so the viscosity is the property of fluid by virtue of it reduces the relative motion among different layers of fluid. So if water, it has less viscosity, is it? So it will flow freely. These layers will move apart. This layer will go first. This layer will go second, like that. So it will go. It will move freely. But take in the case of honey. Honey can it flow very or compared to water? It will flow like water? No, right? Because it has more viscosity. These layers will move very slower. That means compared to all layers, they will move with the same velocity. So because it has more viscosity. The next, what is the main advantage of international pipette method for particle size analysis? Options: it is quick and easy to perform. It is regarded as a standard method due to its accuracy. It requires minimal equipment. It can analyze a large number of samples simultaneously. So which is the correct answer? So it is this question is about international pipette method. So is it quick and easy to perform? No, it is not quick because we are using a pipette. We will pipette the soil particles from different depth. So it is not quick. Using a pipette, you all know in the chemistry lab, is it very easy for using pipette? It's, for me it is not. I don't like pipetting. It is because it is not quick and easy to perform. Option B, we can look. It is regarded as a standard method due to its accuracy. Leave this option, okay, because it is a correct answer. We can look by other two options are not correct. It requires minimal equipment. No, we need a pipette. We have to use our time, use many pipette, because if for one analysis we need a pipette. If we have so many samples, we need more pipette, more instruments. So next, it can analyze a large number of samples simultaneously. Simultaneously means one after another. Along with the one sample, can we can if only one person is available, can he do it simultaneously? No, because we need to use pipette. We have to use our skill for international pipette method. So this option is also wrong. B is a correct answer. So it is a standard method because it is more accurate, because we are pipetting the soil particles from different depths, so we can get accurate result. So which if a question is like this, which is a most accurate method for particle size analysis, international pipette method is correct, is it? So we can frame two questions from this question, given question. Next, what I have seen, that is a question. Most accurate method of soil texture analysis. Options: Boyko's hydrometer method. Option B, international pipette method. Option C, aggregate method. Option D, all. So for answering this question, you have to know what are these methods. Boyko's hydrometer method. In this, we will use a hydrometer. International pipette method, we will use pipette. While we pipetting acid, we will not use micro pipette for acid. It will damage that micro pipette. One instrument is a micro pipette. We will not use the micro pipette, but instead we will use a pipette, because we can pipette out a standard amount or accurate amount of acid or whatever liquid present in the beaker. So it is most accurate. Using pipette is more accurate. And what is a rapid method of mechanical analysis? Options: Boyko's hydrometer method. Option B, international pipette method. Option C, aggregate method. Option D, wet sieving. So what is the correct option? It is in the Boyko's hydrometer method. So this is a rapid method. International pipette method is very slow. Aggregate method is also slow. Wet sieving is also so slow. You can watch my video. I have explained all this method very in deep, so you can see that video. The next, Boyko's hydrometer method of mechanical analysis cannot be used in option calcareous soil, organic soil, saline soil. Option D, all. So Boyko's hydrometer method we can't use in calcareous soil, organic soil, saline soil, because that particles in calcareous soil, calcium carbonate is there. Organic soil, there is organic matter. Saline soil, there is salt. So these particles will affect the analysis. It will be very difficult when we use calcareous soil, organic soil or saline soil as a sample. Okay, so option D, all, is correct. So what we have to study is that Boyko's hydrometer method is not applicable to calcareous soil, organic soil and saline soil. Then next question. Temperature to which hydrometer are calibrated? Options: 10 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. Which is the correct answer? It is about hydrometer in the Boyko's hydrometer method, is it? So it is calibrated to 20 degrees Celsius. It is a calibration temperature. We have to calibrate that. We have to set the temperature to 20 degrees Celsius for accurate result. Next question. What is the recommended measurement time for silt clay fractions in the hydrometer method? Options: 4 minutes, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 2 hours. So for measuring silt and clay in hydrometer method, we have to measure it after 40 minutes. After 4 minutes. So 4 minutes is the correct option. What is the recommended measurement time for clay fractions in the hydrometer method? So options: 2 hours, 4 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So what about clay? Clay will take more time for settling, is it? So among the options, more time means it is 2 hours. So 2 hours is the correct answer. And choose the correct formula. Degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 30 is equal to Fahrenheit. So it is a conversion between degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. You are studying it from your 6th or 7th standard, is it? So what is the correct option? Degree Fahrenheit. For finding degree Fahrenheit, we have to multiply degree Celsius with 9 by 5. I'm not good at writing in this laptop. I'm very sorry. I think you can understand. So we have to multiply degree Celsius into 9 by 5 and add it 32. And add 32. So we will get a degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So correct option will be B. Let's see the next question. Total number of textural class in textural triangle by ISSS. So this you have to find out and comment in the comment section. How many textural classes are there in the textural triangle? I have told it in the soil texture video. You can watch. You can study that video. Then answer or comment this question as a comment. So let me look how many students have understood my classes. So with that, thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Be very consistent in studying. Practice questions along with the theory. So you can make it thorough. The theory thorough. Like when we study theory only, we will not we will not get used to the questions, because in JRF and SRF exam, so many sentence question, correct assertion, reason type questions, so everything will be there. So you have to see thorough with the pattern of questions also. So with that, I'm stopping here. Thank you so much. Comment this answer of this question in the comment section. Okay. Thank you. Thanks so much.